On one cool afternoon in July 2020, Dara Gizel on the microphone sat in her office and an idea just came into her head. Dara, why not do an Amala vlog? Why not go around Abuja looking for Amala spots and compare and contrast and just enjoy yourself? So I went to my WhatsApp and I put up a question on my status, and a lot of people gave me replies. A lot of people directed me to Amala spots in Abuja, and that was how I got going. Yeah, I just stepped out of my office. Nobody knew I was going to any far place. I stepped out of my office and I started my Amala vlog. First of all, guys, I want to apologize for using spoon to eat Amala in this vlog. I made this video like over a month ago. It's going to 2 months. Yes, it's even 2 months already. Yes, in July I made the video, and I saw how you guys reacted to my eating Amala with spoon in one of my vlogs. So I'm so sorry. With that being said, let's start the vlog.
Black fingers upon the beat.
Hey people, what's popping? Kilo Shele, Okini Neme. Let's go there. I know I look weird. I always look weird at work, and that's why I always pray that nobody should jam me on the road when I'm at work. So guys, I'm starting an Amala vlog. So I gathered the names of places in Abuja, like names of popular Amala spots in Abuja, and I'm heading to one from work. So I'm heading to the one at Gariki area 11. Let's go, guys. Area 11 by FCDA. So the name of the first Amala spot is Ojuelegba. Yeah, Lagos people will be like, what's popping, what's going on here? Anyways, it's like the most popular Amala spot in Abuja, because when I asked the question, almost everybody was like Ojuelegba, Ojuelegba. They have branches at Gariki, Maitama, Gwarimpa, Wuse, and I don't know if they have any other branch. They sell other foods like egusi, jollof, rice, but I came for Amala. So I ordered for Amala. I spent a total of 500 naira on this particular food spot. Yeah, I got the takeaway for 100 naira. People were not yet eating in at the place at the time when I went there, because the lockdown was just being eased at that point. The Amala was 200 and the protein was 200, and I paid at this point and I was off. So I made this video. I love this artwork at this place. It's not like an artwork, they used metal to do it. So I took a video there, and this is a striking painting of Ojuelegba in the place. I don't know what motivated the owner of this place, but anybody who has been to Ojuelegba, who has lived in Lagos, would know that this painting is a painting of Lagos. The buses, the umbrella, the people and everything just represents Lagos. So it's a cool spot, and it's just like taking Amala to another level. Anyways, the Ojuelegba in Gariki is located in area 11, and it is directly opposite NTA. Yeah, this is NTA. So I got back to my office and I wrapped my Amala. Yummy, yummy, yum yum. I microwaved it because it was already warm by the time I got back to the office. I microwaved it and I sat down to a sumptuous meal of Amala and ewedu with roundabout, and I added the kilishi that my boss gave me at work that day. Yes, I added the kilishi, and everyone was just staring at me, especially when I told someone to take a video of me eating. Everyone was just staring at me like, what's this one doing? See, YouTube will make you act mad. I swear, but people will not understand what YouTube is. And I took it to a refreshing bottle of Coca-Cola. A subscriber has advised me to be taking more of smoothies. Yeah, and I'm keeping to that advice. I took this video 2 months ago. So at the end, this was what remained. I couldn't finish the whole Amala. I wish I ordered for only 100 naira Amala. So I'm going to give Ojuelegba Amala spot a green tick. They had wonderful customer service and everything was okay. The second food spot. The name of the second food spot is Choprite. Choprite is a restaurant located at Wuse Zone 3. The restaurant is located just beside the National Civil Service Commission, Abidjan Street, Wuse. Anyone moving with a long cab from Wuse Market can enter along heading to Gariki Area 1 and ask to be stopped at customs. Cross over and walk towards the entrance of the civil service and ask of the canteen. Apart from Amala, other local dishes like egusi, eforiro, okra, pounded yam, semo, rice, plantain and all kinds of protein including catfish, meat, vein, tozo, fish, and everything is available at ShopRite. The food joints can be called mama put, as most Nigerians fondly call restaurants. There are usually a lot of people there to buy food, but because I went when the lockdown was just being eased, a lot of people were not there. There's a sink to wash your hand, and there's soap, and the food is prepared in a neat place just behind where the food is served. And for the first time, I ate amala with only gbegiri and stew. It was nice, oh, it was nice. Although I prefer ewedu, I was just like, let me try a new thing. It's an amala vlog, duh. But I'm not sure I'm going to eat only gbegiri and stew again. It just felt like eating beans and amala. Anyways, it was nice. And yes, I ordered for fresh catfish just to enjoy small. Baby girl needs to relax and be taken care of, you know. The fee for my meal was 700 naira. Yes, the catfish made it 700 naira because the catfish alone cost 500 naira. But if I were to eat it with other protein or normal meat, I would have paid 300 naira. So everything was 700 naira. The meal was sumptuous, and I'm going to give Madam ShopRite a big tick because I chopped right at ShopRite. Okay guys, let's move on to the third food spot. Guys, this is not just a review of the restaurant, this is like my experience while going to the restaurant, a review of the restaurant and my experience on my way back to the restaurant. So just enjoy.
One eternity later.
Hey people, what's popping? Kilo Shele, Agini Neme. Let's go there. Okay guys, so good afternoon. So this is one of the days when I don't get to go to work. But I'm never really away from work. Like, if I'm not at work, I'm working. Like, I'm doing YouTube work or I'm sewing. Like, I'm never really relaxed. So today, since I'm not really into sit-down videos again, like, I don't really like them again. I don't know why. Maybe because vlogs are fun and they have me going out and doing all sort of stuff. I'm going to be shooting my third amala spot. A dog just backed out fear from my body. Like, look at how I'm sounding. I'm very angry and I'm afraid. This is why I hate this estate. Guys, I don't know if you can see. This is next cash and carry, and this is the amala place. I'm here. So actually, guys, I've stopped at the place where they wrote amala place sign, but I don't know the exact place it is. So I'm just walking into the streets to see if there's anyone that can direct me. Man, this kind of vlog is not easy. It's very stressful. I just hope people watch the video. Guys, I think I found amala place. So amala place Kadu Estates is like in between Tush and local. It's not like an eatery. It's not as big as Abuja Amala, the branch of Abuja Amala I went to, but you can't still call it a mama put. Yeah, and they had this hand washing machine that's controlled by the foot there. I washed my hand and I went in, and just like Abuja Amala, people were not allowed to eat in at the points when I went. I don't know about now. I recorded this video in July, but I could not complete it. The target was to shoot 5 amala spots and I could shoot only 3, and I had no motivation. I was scared of the video not getting views and all of that, and I already spent a lot and suffered a lot to dub the video. So I just abandoned it somewhere, but I just decided to edit it and upload it now because I promised to take you guys around Abuja, and I'm just going to keep on. So just like Abuja Amala and ShopRite, they sell other types of food here. They sell different things here. Efo, egusi, name it, whatever Nigerian local dish you want to find, you're going to find it here. So I got food, I paid at the cashier's place, and you guys can see how big the compound is. There are so many cars there. Like, it's a hot spot and it's located at a strategic point. It's located like directly opposite next cash and carry. It's around that road, so it's a strategic point and a lot of people go there. And on my way back, I saw corn, and I had not yet eaten corn at the point when I recorded this video, so I just decided to get corn. I know these corns are looking sick. Sorry, it was already afternoon and the seller probably almost sold everything out. Maybe this was the last set, I don't know, but I got corn because I was just craving it. And guys, I'm tired, like I'm exhausted. I can't even see a vehicle to go. The bike men that I managed to stop, I don't know if that is English that they don't understand or what. I don't even know. Like, I've not eaten since morning and I'm expending all the energy I have on just buying food. So I've been standing here for over how many minutes now and I've still not gotten any cab. Guys, if you should watch my video and share my Amala video. Say everything, I'm sorry for this video. This is so annoying. I need a ride. I'm carrying Amala here and I want to go inside the supermarket and you're telling me that I should keep it with the guy at the door. Food wey no get lock or padlock. I've never even seen food that has lock or padlock. And you guys don't even have any locker. Something like a locker that at least I can lock it and I'll say, okay, I'm with the key or something. Even if there's a locker, I will not in my right senses leave what I'm eating outside with somebody because I want to go and buy one rubbish. And too much customer, they worry them.
One eternity later.
So guys, forgive how I look because I am actually tired and pissed. Like, this was not an easy journey. I'm actually back home and there's no lights. There's usually lights every time. So why is it now that I'm tired that I actually need fan that there's no lights? I don't know. The food will be warm now, but I don't even have energy to warm it. The only thing I'll do now is to warm my stew and take one meat and add to the one liver I bought there because that liver is 200 naira there. I don't understand. The second food spot I bought something from, that one, all their proteins are 100 naira except it's catfish or titus you want to buy. But as long as it's maize, beef or anything, it's 100 naira. Well, this one is 200 naira and it's still quite affordable. It's just because I've taken the one that is cheaper. That's why it's kind of annoying. So guys, this is how the amala looked on the inside. Yummy, yummy, yum, yum. See guys, let me explain why I use spoon to eat amala most times. Like I learned this habit here in Abuja. Yeah, like eating with your hand when you're in public. Like there's no how you wash your hand in public that you wash it enough. And when I'm at home, I'm always lazy to go and wash my hand, and after I go and wash my hand, I always want to eat and maybe just push the plate by the side and lie down. I'm so sorry. Anyways guys, I later went to 2K supermarket to get these things since next week we were doing shakara that I don't know about. This was the period I got that Cerelac that I showed you guys my day in the life. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We have come to the end of my Amala vlog. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Even if I didn't go to 5 places, I hope the video still has enough content. Tell me what you think about the video. Tell me what you think about the food spot. Tell me what you think about the food, how I ate it and everything. Thank you also so much for all your support and love. And I'ma see you all in my next video. Bye. I love you. Kiss kiss. Mwah.
Hi, I'm Olivia. Subscribe to Dera's vlog.
Please subscribe to Dera's vlog. Please subscribe to Dera's vlog.
Dera's vlog to the world. Subscribe to Dera's vlog on YouTube. Subscribe to Dera's vlog on YouTube and tell your friends to subscribe to Dera's vlog on YouTube.